Hi friends, my name is Becky Betts. I am your digital team lead with PRAVANA, and today we are going to do a neon pride look for Get the Look.
I like to section the hair into quadrants because it gives me more control over what I'm doing. So I started by doing thin sectionings in each quadrant, about 1/8 inch section, so I could get that level of lift that I needed. I have found when I use 1/8 inch sections, I get more of a lift. I did a platinum card with this client using foils for more control over each section and getting the higher lift with my 10 volume and ultra lightener. Working my way through the hair, I bumped up in my last section to a 20 developer. When each section was about to a level 8.5, 9, I went in, slid my foils down a little, and got the roots. I like to lighten this way because the heat from the head bumps my lightener up and it develops a lot faster, so I always get my roots last. When all my sectioning was complete, I took her to the bowl and I washed her twice. It's a little pro tip that I do a lot of vivids, and I've always washed each client out after a lightening service twice just to make sure I was getting all of the lightener off of the scalp, hair, and there was no residual lightener on the head. After that was complete, I brought her back to my chair and completely blow dried her 100%. On this technique, I decided to switch it up and do a diamond pattern, sectioning the hair into a diamond first and leaving about 2 inches around the perimeter for a halo effect. In the diamond section, I sectioned the diamond off into 4 sections. Around the halo, I use Formula 1 to apply to the roots, melting into my neon orange and my neon yellow. On the diamond section, I melted Formula 2 into neon pink, neon orange, and neon yellow. When you're applying vivids, you want to do what we call at PRAVANA the 3-inch rule. To make sure that you have consistency down the hair strand, you want to be applying color every 3 inches, moving the brush back and forth, making sure you have full saturation. When I'm washing my vivids out, I do not want to transfer color down the hair shaft, holding the ends out of the sink so that color does not transfer onto the lighter colors. With my styling, I made sure that I brought my 1-inch curling iron. I love the 1-inch curling iron because my curls last longer. So we're not washing our hair as often with vivid services. So when I'm using the 1-inch rod instead of the 1.5-inch rod, I find that my curls will last up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating it. Make sure that you check us out online at pravana.com for tons more of education, and make sure you follow us on all of our social channels. I love you and see you next time.